Hello, my name is Hilal Karadag, and today I want to talk about something that I find both important and exciting: local stormwater management, also called LUD in Swedish, or Sustainable Urban Drainage System, SUDs in English. Cities all over the world are facing big challenges with their water sewage systems. Because of climate change, we get heavier rain and more extreme weather, and this often leads to flooding. At the same time, polluted water from streets and roofs is carried into lakes and seas, which harms the environment. In the past, cities built closed pipe systems to remove rainwater as fast as possible. This worked in normal weather, but when there was heavy rain, the pipes got full and basements flowed, and the treatment plants couldn't not handle all the water. Today, many cities, including Stockholm, have realized that we need new local solutions, and there's where LUD come in. What I like about LUD is that it combines technical design with nature process. The main idea is simple: manage water close to where water it what to water where manage water close to where it falls. Instead of sending all the water in the sewer, we let it infiltrate in the ground, evaporate, or flow slowly to streams. In this way, LUD connect more engineering with the nature water cycle. There are many ways to use LUD in city, and I will give some examples. Green roofs with vegetation that absorb rainwater. Rain gardens or bioswales. Green areas that clean and infiltrate stormwater. They can be built in parks, yards, or along streets. Infiltration trench. Shallow ditches with gravel or stone where we can infiltrate slowly in the ground. Retention and detention bins. Large ponds and underground tanks that store water during heavy rain and release it slowly afterwards. Permeable pavements, special surfaces that let water pass through instead of running off in pipes. Which solution we use depends on local conditions, soil type, groundwater level, and how much space we have. LUD gives many advantages. Flood protection. By delaying and storing water, the risk of flooding is reduced. Better water quality. Soil and plants filter the water, so less pollutant reach lakes and seas. Green cities. LUD creates more green areas, improves biodiversity, and makes cities nice to live in. Climate adaptation. Help cities prepare for heavy rain caused by climate change. Of course, there are also challenges. It can be difficult to find space in these urban areas. The system can be, ex, uh, be expensive to build, even if they save money in the long run. They need maintenance. For example, rain gardens and green roofs uh, must be taken care of. And finally, knowledge. Engineers, architects, and city planners must work together to design good systems. To sum up, stormwater is no longer just a problem to get rid of. It can also be a resource if we manage it in a smart way. Load suits help cities reduce flooding, protect the environment, and create greener, more sustainable places for people to live in. Stockholm, like many other cities, is now investing more and more in LUD. For me, this is not only an interesting subject, it's also the future of water management. Thank you for listening.